So I finally got a big visual improvement mod for one of these cars. It's for the 4Runner. We're going to install it today. This thing needs to be cleaned. So I looked at the 4Runner. It looks like this is going to be the front side because the mount is real close to the tip. On the other side, the tip is way far away from the mount. So I looked on their website and it didn't say anything about it coming with hardware, and I checked the other thing that I bought and it did say that it came with hardware, so I'm guessing this does not come with hardware. Luckily, I've already got some bolts and thread locker, so we should be good. So this kit actually does come with hardware. This will be making a surprise appearance later in the video. So I've taken the packing material off of these plates, but not off of this. I'm going to leave it on here to aid in the installation. Three here, two here, two here, two here, two here, and two here. Since these metric bolts are grade 10.9, they're going to need about 40 Newton meters of torque on them. That's just an approximation for these. I don't know the exact spec because there wasn't one supplied, but use your best judgment, and I'd recommend using thread locker for that added bit of security. I'm going to go install these off camera now. It's going to be the same way as the ones that I did install already, so just follow those directions, and I hope to see you in the next 4Runner modification video here on Car Simplified. Thanks for watching.